Welcome to Social Work 506, Program Leadership and Management. This presentation will give you a brief overview of the course and its assignments. I will go into some detail related to the semester-long group project that you will be having as well. My name is Nicole Lang. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, and I'm the Assistant Director of Field Education here at the School of Social Work. Prior to coming to Boise State about a year and a half ago, I worked at the ARC Idaho, which is a nonprofit here in Boise, for approximately 19 years. The last 12 of those years, I was the Assistant Executive Director. My duties included oversight of all programs, fundraising, community outreach and marketing, as well as public policy advocacy. In addition to my duties as Assistant Field Director, I am still involved with the ARC on a very part-time basis, doing some fund development for them and program consultation. I also sit on the board of directors as the secretary of Spay and Neuter Idaho Pets, which is SNP, and I'm involved in a couple other nonprofits that are national rescue groups, specifically for dogs. So nonprofits have been my passion for many, many years, and I'm very excited to be teaching this course. If you need to contact me, the best way to reach me is my email, which is listed right here. You can also arrange to have a video chat with me, or you can always call the office at 208-426-5937. So this is a brief overview of course topics. We will be going through each topic, 1 or 2 topics per module. And the text that we have is by Martha Walensky, and it is Strategic Leadership and Management in Nonprofit Organizations. It's a great book, and I hope that you will enjoy reading it just as much as I have. There are also several supplemental readings that are part of this course. Please make sure that you read through all of them. I know it's extensive, but it's important that you read them because your assignments are reliant on reading the material. So there are 7 modules in this course, and the themes are this week in Module 1, we will be doing types of social service organizations and nonprofits. Module 2 is leadership and organization management. Module 3, revenue sources and fundraising. Then we move on to strategic planning and program development. Module 5 will be collaboration and service integration, as well as public policy advocacy. Week 6 is board and volunteer development, and our final week will be human resources, as well as communication and marketing. This just gives you an idea of the graded assignments. You will have a syllabus quiz this week. There will be case study discussions, a leadership assessment, evaluations. There is a course reflection, as well as your group project, which is the team memos and the team videos. So let's talk a little bit about the consultant team project. That is your large semester-long project. You will be randomly assigned in groups, which I have already done for you, so you can check to see what group you're in. Each group will act as nonprofit management consultants. Your teams will use real and current fiscal and program details from an assigned nonprofit to complete hypothetical scenarios. A final presentation will be submitted and reviewed by your classmates. And the purpose of this assignment is to acquaint you with various areas of nonprofit management, such as budgeting, fundraising, strategic planning, collaborating with community partners, and interacting with boards of directors. The consultant team assignments, there are several parts to it, and you can see that listed on this slide. You will have an assignment for a team contract and a nonprofit organization analysis table. There are no points assigned to this assignment, but you are required to do it. So please make sure you follow through with those 2 parts of the assignment. So you will, as a consultant team, pick your nonprofit. There are 8 nonprofits throughout the Northwest region listed here. And so this document is a Google document, which you will find in Module 1.9. And once you have met with your group, you can choose which nonprofit you would like. It's first come, first serve. So please start looking at the nonprofits right away to determine which one you think will be a good fit for your team. Then you can just go into the Google document and sign up for whichever nonprofit will work best for you. Teams will use their selected nonprofit's budget and program details as a basis for a hypothetical scenario throughout the project. At no time should you contact the nonprofits. Even if you happen to know someone at that nonprofit, please do not contact them. This is all hypothetical. We have not contacted them to let them know students will be involved in their agency because we really just want you to do the research about the agency, and it is all hypothetical. You'll learn about the agencies through their websites. You can go on to GuideStar to check out their information. You can look at Charity Navigator, and you will also be able to access their IRS 990 tax forms. Once again, please do not contact the nonprofit for this assignment. As part of your assignment, you will be asked to submit 3 memos for this project. Teams must follow memo specifications, so please do not have more than 5 pages for each memos. There's a very strict page limit on that. Follow your memo assignment directions closely. Every memo consists of at least 2 sections, and please make sure to divide your work between the team members. We want to make sure that every person has an opportunity to participate and that you're dividing up your work. The final presentation will incorporate all 3 memos, and you will submit a 10-minute recording. Your classmates will review the presentations. Supplemental material can also be submitted, including a 1-page summary and a recommended budget. All team members must participate in the final presentation. Research and select a presentation tool ahead of time to make sure that everyone in your team knows how to use the program. Please don't wait until the week of the presentation to figure out the technical piece of it, because there are oftentimes difficulties, and that will take some time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, I'm very excited to be teaching this course and getting to know you all a little bit better. We'll see you soon.